Hi guys, so today I'm going to be answering the question, does the media have the power to influence public opinion? My answer to this was yes and no. If we reference page 328, it discusses how during the past few years there's been enormous growth in internet and how available and readily available it is to us. So we have iPads, iPhones, anything digital that's at hand, and that can greatly influence what we think. You have to wonder about those who maybe aren't informed about the government. So if you go on social media, you might see something that's very available to you, but then you're going to read comments and responses and then maybe be influenced by what other people have to say through social media. Also on page 333, it discusses selective exposure. So for this reason, I would say no, we are not influenced by the media. This is kind of an opposing factor. Through selective exposure, you hear what you want to hear. So if you hear something on the media that you don't agree with, you're kind of going to block that out because you have your mind set so much on what you already believe in the system. So in that sense, I would say no. But then on page 335, it also discusses pseudo events. These are events that take place and they're staged events to win media coverage. This could go either way, yes and no, because you want media coverage, but is it factual? Is it actually what people are going to believe is the question. So you might try to influence people, but it might not go the way you want it to as a candidate. So for all these reasons, my answer is very torn between yes and no. You're going to hear what you want to hear through the media, but if you don't know very much and you're not educated on what's going on with the government, you might be more easily influenced. Thank you.